Hello children, welcome to VIN school. So today we shall learn a new chapter, At the Zoo. At the Zoo. Open page number 66 in your textbook. So listen to the video and follow it. So at the zoo. So what is the learning point? We find different kinds of animals and birds in a zoo. So what do you find in zoo, children? So you find different kinds of animals and birds in a zoo. Some animals live on dry land while others live in water. So some animals live on the land and while others live in water. So now let's begin the lesson. Our teachers took us for a picnic to the zoo yesterday. So we all went in the bus. We reached the zoo at 10 o'clock in the morning. There were many animals in the zoo. So all the students from one different school, all the children, they went for a picnic, that is outing. So where did they go? They go for zoo. So the children are saying that their teachers, they took them for a picnic, that is for an outing to the zoo yesterday. So everybody, they went in a bus. Okay. So they reached the zoo at 10 o'clock in the morning. Morning 10 o'clock, they reached the zoo. What were there in the zoo? There were many animals in the zoo. There were many animals. Amita and Aruna ran to see the giraffes. Giraffes have long necks. They were eating leaves from a tall tree. There were two baby giraffes too. So children, Amita and Aruna, they ran to see giraffes. They ran to see giraffe, Amita and Aruna. And they saw the giraffe had long neck. Okay, and they were eating the leaves from the tall trees. From the tall trees, the giraffes were eating the leaves, and there were two babies. So two baby giraffes also. Ajay and Jane saw some monkeys. One monkey was swinging from the branch of a tree. Some were eating bananas the visitors gave them. So, Ajay and Jane, they went to see some monkeys. Okay, so one monkey was sitting on a branch and it was swinging. And some were eating bananas. Monkey loves to eat banana, isn't it? So, some monkeys were eating bananas. And what the visitor, they were giving bananas and the monkeys were eating bananas. And who went to see the monkey? Ajay and Jane, they went to see monkeys. Teacher said, we visitors should not feed the animals in the zoo. It can be harmful to the animals and also dangerous for us. There are people in the zoo to take care of the animals. They give food to animals. So teacher says, so whoever goes to zoo, whoever visits the zoo, they are visitors, isn't it? So who will go to the zoo to watch the animals? They are called visitors. Okay, now all the students as well as the teachers are visitors. So the teacher says we visitor should not feed the animals. So we should not give any food to animals which are in the zoo, and it is very harmful to animals. So if we give any food, it is very harmful to animals, and also it is very dangerous to the visitors also. That is why there are many peoples in the zoo. So to take care of those animals, so we should not feed the animals. So the people who take care of the animals in the zoo, they are going to give the food to animals which are in the zoo. So who said? The teacher says to the children. Lina and Laya kept watching the hippopotamus. There were two in a big pool of water. Suddenly, one of them opened its big mouth. It was so big, all the children looking at it ran away in fear. So now Lina and Laya, they started to see hippopotamus. There were two in a big pool of water. There was a big pool of water and there were two hippopotamus. Suddenly one hippopotamus opened this big mouth. Hippopotamus has a big mouth and it opened a big mouth. So it was so big, all the children, by looking at the big mouth of the hippopotamus, they ran into fear. They got very scared. They had so much of fear, so they ran away. Hari and Hina went to the place where lions were kept. They saw a lioness playing with its cubs. So Hari and Hina, they went to the place where the lions were kept. Okay, so they went to see the lions and they saw the lioness playing with its cub. So playing with its baby, that is baby lion, that is called cubs. Okay, so the lioness and the cubs, the lioness was playing with the cubs. Nina and Nihal saw many deer in an open place. They were resting in the shade of a tree, had a lovely white spots on their bodies. There were some baby deer too. Now who went to see the deer? Nina and Nihal. All of them, all the children were watching monkey, giraffe and hippopotamus, lions. But now Nina and Nihal, they saw a deer. They went to see deer. It was in an open place and they were resting in the shade of a tree. That is, it was resting. It was taking rest under a tree. They had a lovely white spots on their bodies. The deer had a lovely white spots, white color spots on their bodies, and they also, Nina and Nihal also saw some baby deers there. Okay. A little away, there were many colorful birds. We saw talking parrots and peacock dancing, spreading its beautiful feathers. There was a crane standing on one leg. It was fun watching so many animals. And not only the animals, all the children saw many colorful birds. So in that zoo there were many colorful birds also. So all the children, not only they saw animals, so they also saw a beautiful birds, colorful birds. What did they see? They saw talking parrots. Parrots were talking there. So all the children saw the parrots talking and the peacock dancing by spreading its beautiful feathers. Look at the feathers. So it was spreading the beautiful feathers and it was dancing. And also the crane standing in one leg. The crane was standing in one leg and it was very fun for the children to watch all the birds as well as animals in the zoo. Tony and Tarun saw two leopards. They had black spots on their bodies. One was growling and the other was sleeping. Now Tony and Tarun, they went to see leopards, and in that zoo there were two leopards, and the leopards had a black spots on their body. One was growling, that is, one was making a sound, and one was sleeping. What do you mean by growling? That is a sound of an animal, that is animal's cry. Okay, so then finally then our teacher said, children, it's time to leave. Everyone got on the bus after having a nice day at the zoo. So finally the teacher says, children, now it's time up. Let us leave. So everyone, all the children, they got onto the bus and they had a nice day in the zoo. So children, a zoo, what is a zoo? A zoo is a place where animals are protected. Okay, and animals from different parts of the world are brought and kept there. And what did you learn from this lesson? So we should not feed animals in the zoo. Should you need to feed the animals in the zoo? No, there will be some persons, they will take care the animals in the zoo. They are going to give food to the animals and not the visitors. So we should not feed animals in the zoo. We should be very careful and never go very close to an animal. We should be very careful, children. Whenever you visit zoo, be very careful and never go close to any of the animal. Okay, so let us read the difficult words now. Ticket, giraffe, banana, swinging, hippopotamus, leopards, peacock, feathers, crane. So children, practice reading the lesson and also practice all the difficult words in your rough book.